everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today we're making a quick recipe with vegetables. One where you can jazz up your lunch or dinner table, still keep it healthy, and totally delicious. Today we're making stir-fried vegetables. Now, there are a variety of vegetables out there, so I'm not going to tell you what vegetables to choose, but always remember when you're making stir-fried vegetables, you think about the color. Choose vegetables that will bring out a beautiful color, and also think about the texture. So we're not going to use all leafy. We're going to have a variety of textures to make our stir-fry vegetable dish. So let's go over the ingredients. We have carrots. Now these carrots are julienne, which is a particular style of cutting it. It is easy to cook your carrots once you julienne them because it's long and thin. So we have carrots. We also have some broccoli, which I would have chopped roughly. We have some cabbage, half of an onion, 1 clove of garlic. And remember, we talked about the color, so we have some sweet pepper. We have sweet pepper that is yellow, red, green. We know that eye eats first, so we need to make sure our stir-fried vegetables are bright and colorful. Now we have some mushroom. Mushroom always bring an earthiness to any dish, so we have some mushrooms. And just to spice it up a bit, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning and oil for sauteing. Now stir frying is really easy. We're going to make sure we have our stove on medium heat. We're going to add the oil for sauteing, and once we allow that to get hot for like 30 seconds or so, we're going to add our vegetables. Now all of our vegetables won't cook at the same rate, so we're going to add those. We're going to add the carrots, and then we're going to add the broccoli. We're going to add those vegetables that will take a little longer to cook. And we know carrot and broccoli always take longer than maybe onions and sweet pepper, so we'll allow these to saute for about a minute or so. Then we'll add the other ingredients to this amazing dish. So I'm going to add just a teeny bit of water. It's going to make a lot of noise. Just a teeny bit of water. The water will help to cook the vegetables if they're taking a little while, because the water will produce a steam. Now that they've been cooking for about a minute, oh, they smell really good. We're going to add the other set of vegetables, which will take around the same time to cook. So we're going to add the cabbage, the onion, the garlic, and the 3 colors of sweet peppers. We're going to add them together. Oh, look at the medley of colors. Really beautiful. The eye really eats first. So now we've added these. We're going to add our mushrooms, and the juices from the vegetables all mixes together, produces a wonderful aroma. And we're going to add our spices, our cayenne pepper and an all-purpose seasoning, and then we'll allow these to saute and cook together for another 2 or so minutes, and then we're done. Now our stir-fried vegetables have been cooking for about 4 or 5 minutes, so it is now ready. Now we don't want it to cook too long because we need our vegetables to still remain firm. We don't want them to be too limp. So now that they are ready, you can see that they're all nice and moist from the juices of the vegetables itself. Now it is time to taste. Now in some cultures, you can add a sauce over the stir-fried vegetables, but for me, adding anything to my vegetables will take away from the taste. I like my stir-fried vegetables exactly as stir-fried vegetables, nothing else. You can see the beautiful colors, the broccoli, the carrots, the mushrooms, the onion. It smells amazing. It looks beautiful. Now it's time to taste. This is a perfect addition to your lunch or dinner plate. I'm trying to get all of them in. I have some carrots, I have broccoli. I'm just trying to get a bite with all of them in it. Smells so good. the perfect bite. It is so delicious. Stir-fried vegetables. Now you need to try it.